Hiragana, Day 3. Welcome to Learning Hiragana Day 3. Today I'm going to introduce line S. Sa, shi, su, se, so. After this lesson, you will know 15 hiragana out of 46. If you haven't watched previous one, please go to the link above so you can start learning from line A. So let's get started. Sa, sa, sa. 1, 2, 3. You may notice the difference. This sa has space and this sa here is connected. For native Japanese, these are same. I will explain why. Imagine you have a writing brush and you start to write Japanese sa. From here, you move your brush to here and then you press and you pause. When you press, ink spreads and tick. And you come back here and move your brush here and you stop. If you put some weight on, ink spreads. And you may relax your arm or wrist and then you can lift your brush up. When you lift your brush up, tip of the brush is above the paper. And if brush is above the paper, there is nothing on the paper. There's no ink on the paper. That's why here they have a space, but this is connected. So what makes this difference is how much weight you put on the paper and if the tip of your brush is on the paper or above the paper. I hope it makes sense for you. Shi, shi, shi. 1,す、す、す。1、2、せ、せ、せ。1、2、3。そ、そ、そ。1. This is a stroke. So you can notice here is tick, 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 tick. A thin thing because you put some weight on and lift it up and put weight on and lift it up and put weight on and move and press and pause and lift your brush up and then you stop here in the end. So this saw is tip of the brush is always on the paper. But what makes this difference is how much weight you put on the paper. 酒、酒、酒。塩、塩、塩。寿司、寿司、寿司。せ、せ、せ。そうそう。そうそう。This is a expression. And I use this when I'm home. I just remember something. And so. I just remembered. I have to do something. I will use this phrase in that situation. Thank you for watching. 見てくれてありがとう。